Welcome to MotoZone Official. This time we will discuss about Kawasaki's most brutal naked bike ever, 2026 Kawasaki Z1100. The naked bike segment has never been short on attitude, but for 2026, Kawasaki has made a bold statement. Enter the 2026 Kawasaki Z1100 SE ABS, a motorcycle that doesn't just update the Z lineage, but redefines it. Branded by Team Green as the pinnacle of Kawasaki's Supernaked lineup, the Z1100 steps confidently into the big-bore naked category, replacing the long-running Z1000 with sharper styling, advanced electronics, and the most powerful Z engine ever produced. At the heart of the Z1100 lies a newly developed 1099cc liquid-cooled inline-four, derived from the Ninja-1100 SX platform but uniquely tuned for naked bike performance. With revised pistons, cam profiles, and valve springs, Kawasaki engineers focused on delivering stronger low and mid-range torque, exactly where a Supernaked lives and breathes. The result is an engine that feels muscular and responsive on the street, yet refined enough for longer highway cruising thanks to taller 5th and 6th gear ratios. A race-inspired assist and slipper clutch further enhances smoothness, reducing lever effort and improving downshift control. Supporting this powerhouse is a completely new electronic suite, bringing the Z-Series firmly into modern superbike territory. An IMU-driven system unlocks lean-sensitive rider aids, including Kawasaki cornering management function, traction control, and intelligent ABS. These systems work together seamlessly to manage power delivery, braking force, and chassis stability, especially during aggressive cornering. Riders can choose between sport, road, rain, or a fully customizable rider mode, with all adjustments accessible on the fly. A two-way quickshifter and electronic cruise control come standard, making the Z1100 equally comfortable on spirited rides or long-distance stretches. Visually, the Z1100 evolves Kawasaki's iconic Sugomi design language. The bike looks predatory and compact, with sharply sculpted bodywork, muscular engine covers, and a slim LED headlamp that gives it a menacing face. The high-mounted exhaust not only enhances mass centralization, but also visually reinforces the bike's aggressive stance. Underneath the styling is a major structural shift. Unlike smaller Z models, the Z1100 features a new aluminum twin-tube frame, with the engine acting as a stressed member. This design improves rigidity, feedback, and handling precision, while maintaining a narrow waist for better rider control. Ergonomics have been refined with wider, more forward handlebars, sport-oriented foot pegs, and smoother transitions between the tank, seat, and tail section. A USB-C charging port adds modern-day practicality. As a special edition, the Z1100 SE comes fully equipped with premium hardware. Suspension duties are handled by a fully adjustable Showa SFF-BP fork up front and an Öhlins S46 shock at the rear, while braking is entrusted to Brembo M4.32 monoblock calipers biting down on dual 310mm discs. Lightweight wheels wrapped in Dunlop Sport Max Q5A tires complete the performance package. Priced at $14,999, the 2026 Kawasaki Z1100 SE ABS isn't just a successor, it's a statement. A Supernaked built with authority, technology, and unmistakable Kawasaki aggression.